Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel. Well, we're on a, oh, isn't that pretty? Just nice and pretty lake out there. All right, anyway, we're on a mission to get stuff out of the trash or the waste stream and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. And when I say stuff, I mean things like fans. Fans. What are you? You're just nothing. All right. There we go. Now, why did I park so far away? Well, because of a street corner here, and this street can get kind of busy, so I didn't want to be right on the corner. And yes, we just started and we found. In you go. Let's try you like that. And we'll see. So yeah, we found that stove oven thing last night on the way home. I couldn't resist. Let the ubiquitous wire shelf guessing begin. And what do we got here? Oh, yep, you're metal. You're broken. Okay, don't get this one. Oh, you know what this is? So this is like a three-wheel contraption, and as you push on the different pedals, it moves from side to side and propels you down the road. It's almost as if you're sculling your way down the street. And then we have a nice little scooter. We'll grab you too so we can get everything cleaned up for these folks. So there's two pieces of ubiquitous wire shelving there. I'm gonna get them separated here. This is redonkulous. There we go. There's a little shorty piece of ubiquitous wire shelving. Oh yeah, there's a couple of printers there. Ooh, here, let me bonk you. Let me bonk you. A couple of printers there to go in. Oh, all right, and here's this one. And for those of you that like to guess, there you go. There's your length. All right. Okay, now, I know those aren't going to fit cleanly in the truck, but again, if we go get off of there. Oh no, I just got to figure out how to put it in. It's lighter than it looks. Thank you. Pardon me? Oh, I got tools, thank you. Very nice, man. So this should come apart pretty easy. Well, that came apart real nice. A couple of screws, open up the big part, split it into two. It fits across the front of the oven there, and then the spring parts came apart pretty much the same way. A few screws and they came apart. So very cool. Cord footage. Oh, hello, Mr. Cicada. Here, let's put you over here on the tree where you want to be. Here you go. These guys make all kinds of noise. You don't usually see them. There you go. There you go. Oh, don't get on me, you silly goose. Sometimes those are referred to as locusts, but they're actually cicadas. And I tell you what, man, those things can make a racket. Oh, man. I remember on Cape Cod. Man, on Cape Cod, those things, one year we were there, they were so thick. It looked like you were driving through waves. Clouds of bugs. They were so thick. There's cord food hiding behind the recycle bin. Let's get it. You can't hide from me, cord food. All right. What kind of cool stuff do we have here? Really not a whole lot, but this. Now, these lights can be, if you're really into the scrapping business, the scrapping stuff, these lights can be, sometimes that's cast aluminum. And then of course you got the steel here. We're going to pull that off. So there's some potential in these lights if you are really into micro scrapping. In my case, yeah, we're just going to get this cord food off of here eventually. Good gracious me. They tied this bad boy up well enough, didn't they? Meanwhile, many minutes later. And then let's loosen you up. And let's see, I think this one wants to fold up like that. There we go. Those lights are also energy hogs, and they get really hot. So, I mean, they were brighter than all get out. I have them set. They're brighter than all get out, but boy howdy, you could cook an egg on those things. Well, we saw this big umbrella. So let's see what we're dealing with here. Those are just going to be plastic concrete. And that's all connected up like that. But I think that's fine. I think if I can lift it, I can get it in there. They're not going to care about that little bit of canvas. Why did I park so far away? Because that car is on the street and I don't want to block up the street. I'm not going to worry about trying to take you off of there. We're gonna rotate you like that. Here, wait a minute. Let's get you back a little bit. Then we'll get you down there like that. Here we go. All right, let's see if you are all disconnected or disconnected enough. If I can get that main pipe. Oh yeah, cool. All right, you're not going anywhere. Man, I gotta have flags all over the place now, don't I? Oh man. And I know that folks will say, I've had these comments before with the basketball hoops, just bust out that plastic. Come on, you. But in this neighborhood, I'm not going to be busting out plastic on the street. It's too nice a neighborhood for that. Okay, now, how are we going to do this? Somebody took all the brass off already. Yeah, we'll get some of that wire and copper off of there, copper wire first. There's some little brass pieces there. This is aluminum. That's probably, oh, let's see. Oh, that's aluminum. I was thinking that might be stainless, but well, maybe it is stainless because it doesn't want to cut once I get it down, crimped down. So all right, now, because if it was aluminum, it would have cut right away. Well, you know what, we might be able to just get it to set up in there. All right, I'm gonna get you out of the way right now because that'll be one less thing to mess with. Just noticed that this finger's wearing out, so time for new gloves. Boy, it's been a while since we've done the water heater dance. All right, let's get this thing in here. So you know what we might have to do? There we go. All right. Oh, look at that. I think we're gonna have to do some retying here as well. But first things first, let's get you up. Get you up. All right. Now, we gotta retie some stuff. You know, it's funny, I blocked these people's driveway just a couple weeks ago. All right, what are we dealing with here? We've got a fan. Is there anything in here? No, nothing in there. Anything else of interest? Wire. Wait a minute. There's a lot of wire down there. What's all that wire from? Stop making a mess, Sharky. Don't know, not much else down there. That's all right, we'll take the wire. We're gonna grab that scale. Another little chunk of metal there. Nothing going on there but wet cardboard. Wet cardboard. More wet cardboard. Oh, it's all the water weight that makes that's making that so heavy. All right. And a scale. The question is, can I lift it? Because I don't want to put the tailgate down again. It's a little awkward to try to just do a straight lift with it. So I think that'll do just fine. Give a big shout out to everybody who's been donating to the Shark Scrapper Shark Adoption Project 2 for 22 campaign. We're closing in on being able to adopt one shark from the University of Miami. Hopefully we'll be able to get more. Now I know we have a lot of new subscribers, so what I'm talking about is part of the Shark Scrapper program is to donate to the University of Miami shark research and conservation efforts. You donate money to me either through my PayPal account, paypal.me/shark scrapper, or by becoming a member of my Patreon page, patreon.com/shark scrapper. And I match those funds, and then we donate them to the University of Miami. For every $3,000 we donate, we get to adopt a shark, which means we get to name it and track it and all kinds of cool stuff. Now, if you don't want to use PayPal or become a Patreon member, you can always just send me a check. The mailing address is in the description down below. And for everybody who donates, make sure you let me know if you want to be anonymous, because as you know, I like to be transparent and share names and how much people are donating and that kind of stuff. All right, well, this was a fun morning pickup. 560 pounds worth of fun morning pickup. We made 42 bucks. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. We'll see you all on the next one.